the day I saw your smile. Time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart, yeah. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning. When the night come down, my heart start to hum. A sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash me sorrow, you ease me pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. I find my peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray, 'cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. This a sweet melody of Jah love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of Jah love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we heart. Me remember when my life feel dry, you bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after By your arms may find a place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to Jah's sweet song. Through the struggle, me not complain, 'cause love like ours never go in vain. Sweet melody of Jah love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heart beat one again. Sweet melody of Jah love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah love in our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah. When darkness comes, we still hold tight. 'Cause love is strong, Jah make it one heart, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. Sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on, 'cause this love will never done. Sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. In every breath, in every sea, of Jah love, forever flow from above. Yeah, choo-choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put change round our hands, change round our mind. Teach we if we follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jah plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come, fill light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk, but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beating at them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train. Do you hear it? Yes, I hear it. Do you feel it? Yes, I feel it. Jah walking through the valley of shadows and pain. But my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chance but we so no fear in a crowd. From trends down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we strong. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains bound with soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion sand, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Walking barefoot on the sand. a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Marley Sand, unity are the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand, me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Marley Sand, unity are the law of Jalan. Africa, one with the earth. Zion children rise up high. No more war, no more cry. No more cry. Nobody truth, no lie. One people, one voice we try. One drum, one soul, sound the freedom call. We might stumble, but we never fall. From Port-au-Prince to Senegal, one drum, one soul, sound the freedom call. We might stumble, but we never fall. From Port-au-Prince to Senegal, Jah love surround us all. One drum, one soul, chant the healing sound. Even when the night come down, we hold the light, we stand the ground. One love, one heart, still profound. The drum still playing, heart still praying, world still changing. One home, one soul, one love remaining. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mama earth crying, drum beat echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no border, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert. man searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down. Die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children. Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah light, guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, rise up. Still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try to bind, Jah light will take control. Children barefoot in the streets, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayer in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not about to fear our pain. 'Cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling nigh and nigh again. Stand together, hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion heart, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through this storm. Together we rise, together we born. We got with us, we stand firm, feel right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Lucky Dube cry out, prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call your name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, true truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother, sister quarreling vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound, from Kingston streets to Cape Town ground. Burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn but we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. We remember, from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender, never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love, we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar, we not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun till the battle day is won. One world, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. That's we rise up, rise up. Jah light guide us home. Rise up. While as we run, my love. Rise up, my love. We are never alone. Mama said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drumbeat of the earth, find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit. But I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Walking through the streets with no goal to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Let the drum beat carry you away, let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. No chains can hold a soul that sings. No crown can rule the heart of kings. Rise up, push through the storm. Cold hearts too can be warm. Hearts too can be warm. Keep the fire burning. Voice of the ancestors call me name. Say son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall, me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through me vein. The system try to break me down, but me spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by me side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on me dream last night. Come home, me child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant tall, roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. No rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore, love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah sight. Yeah, roar, lion roar, for the children of Zion. Once more, rise, oh lion rise. Let your fire light up the sky. One night. Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On the one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. Under golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On the one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one name. One love, one name.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, and nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to dim. Every soul needs a
strength in your hand. They try to break you, try to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. They can steal gold, they can steal the crown, but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana's shore, your blood remembers what you're fighting for. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawl. Walk tall, African child. African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston Street to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Oh, night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
Don't worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away, and in your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving at the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, I never know love so kind. Loving at the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart said, darling, I love you so.
Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. We human flying high above every line. No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless and never late.
You know you love me
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me
Till the stars fall asleep.
together? Love is the melody we keep. Loving out the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, me want the whole world to know. Loving out the moonlight, soft at play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day.
If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. With love as a river, forever it flows.
Moonlight,
Oh, shine for you and me tonight.
love so right, love so bright.
Raindrops fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love.
Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, nor fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain. Like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain. Forever in this rubber of rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care. Long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul. You heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We be together, same heart, same lane. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul. You heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We be together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain. Baby, don't let go. Rubber dub rain. Love will overflow. Loving all the rubber dub rain. From Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, rain falls. Love calls. You and I stand tall. Rubber dub keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. Drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. Me see the leaders talking a big TV, but hungry still there on every street. Me see them build the tower high, forget the poor. How long we are suffer more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light over farm the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta sun. The freedom song just begun. Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we chanting on the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are. One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again no matter where we from. From Kingston town to world vibration. Freedom spread like fire nation. One drop revolution, no turning back. Stand firm, we punch our track. Sing it loud, no more confusion. Lovely the one drop revolution. Fire for corruption, fire for greed. One drop give the people what them need. Rise up youth man, don't be blind. Truth and love, free your mind. Jah Jah rhythm break the wall. Revolution for one and all. One drop revolution, shake the ground, write your sound all around. No more chain, no more illusion. We march with one drop solution. One drop revolution, strong and free. This is Jah prophecy. Play the drum, chant the song. Love and freedom, live long. Beat of the drum, heart of the people. Revolution come, peaceful but equal. One job forever, Jah guide this deep ever. Beat of the drum.
Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life's so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trenchtown, fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound under the sunset. In a Trenchtown, sunset over Trenchtown. Rhythm so sweet, love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trenchtown sound, Trenchtown sound. Me see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write a history. From the ghetto come the crown. We're kings and queens of trench. Sunset of trench town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of trench town. Sunset over trench town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of trench town. Umoja unity forever. Trench town people rise together. From Kingston to Accra call. One love conquer all. Drum beat talk, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond. We feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over trench town. Sunset over trench town. Fire in the heart, roots and love. That's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a trench town sound. Sunset over trench town, burning gold. Story of the people, strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown. Your light shine on trench town. We go again by the sandy street. Heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench town, live forever.
Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear mama hum in ancient song. Say old faith child stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not them. Cause a warrior of light must remain. Oh mama say no fear my son. Stars shine brightest when night come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear.
Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light. Just soldier in the fight through the darkness of the night. My spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul. No system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe. One love can end the fight.
No Babylon, no pressure.
Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, my brother. Light live forever.
Miss the youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. Miss the tears in her mama eyes, still she give life a chance. Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build up in a song like a true Rasta man. From Kingston streets to Nairobi land. From Soweto Christ to Zion sand. We sing freedom like the beating drum. Till every last chain undone. Hey, Jah Jah.
Light up the way we go.
Oh mama Africa.
Your spirit in our flow.
Warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no bow.
Fire of love, let it glow. Let it glow.
I found a warrior of the light, a blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spy, we choose the
wake up to the morning light. Though the world is cold sometimes, I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love lighting my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way, Jah guide my way. Jah guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes, but I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate, but even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace. Let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Emancipate your wandering mind. Leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Oh, Jah guide my way.
Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide and build border, but love no know no all. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Hey mama Africa, we feel your heartbeat. Yeah, oh brothers rise and fight. Stand firm for truth and right. Change broken spirit high. No more tears, no more cry. Jah light, guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no change again. Let the fire of freedom rain from Kingston town to Soweto plain. We chant till the whole world gains. Stand tall, no change again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no change again. Stand tall, my friend, till the very end. Oh, Jah love we defend. Oh, no change again. Ah, da, 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 no change again. No change again. No change again. Change again. No change again.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry, but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong. Still we stand from Kingston town to Addis Ababa. We sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart. No storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up, my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we holy fire in our hand. Hey, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yes, we answer the call. Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey. Rise up, my people. Oh yeah, Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro. No fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we
all come. One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari.
From Kingston Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. Me see the children hungry crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love guide the way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color. Red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa. Oh, we guide.
Ubuntu,
I am because we are
one world family near and far.
Simon, yeah.
Together we rise.
Jah light shining on all we eyes.
Drumbeat echo from shore to shore. One world people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world unity, one world, one heartbeat. Rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From trench down hills to Accra Street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. Where we all belong.
Where we all belong.
Feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide.
Jah love flow like ocean wide.
One world, one heartbeat.
We ride.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace. tears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Island of peace, set me free. Oh, where my heart's meant to be. She tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love fi change your life. Me see her tears, me wipe them away. Till our baby will rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, my soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, burn through the night. Love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above. Forever rebel of love. Oh, yeah. In the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom and in land. Love go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love. heart eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Ooh, wow. Wow, yeah, yeah. Me and you, hand in hand, love rebuild, broken land, rebel of love. We won't give up, 'cause Jah pour the blessing in our cup, in our songs. Rain fall from my window, silence in a room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in a breeze. Say stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, 'cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in the pain. Hold on strong, keep moving. Tears turn to freedom, Christ turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we live with eyes, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Yeah, yeah. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go. Tears turn to freedom, no more fear. Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Hey. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand. One blood, one love across the land. Though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound.